Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable roaming assistance on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. Firstly, we will need to open this phone application, which is mainly on your homepage. After, click on these three dots on the right corner and choose Settings. Then scroll down until you will see this tab which is named Other Call Settings. And here is it, Roaming Assistance. If we will click on it, we can see more options from which we can choose. For example, you can choose if you want to automatically add country or region code when calling contacts you've called before, or always add code of country region you're located in, or if you want to control everything by yourself, you can choose Ask for each call. And that's it. But if you don't need any of these, you can just simply disable this function and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.